Today we're looking at the brand new 2023 XLR Hyperlite 3016. Going to feature a 16-foot garage. Look at the awesome new Hyperlite graphics they've done in the 2023s this year. Just an awesome overall look on the exterior of the coach. Big power awning. Awesome rear patio deck with the railing around it. Look at all the space you've got as far as your sitting area on the outside underneath your awning. Just an awesome layout. I just love the new exterior graphics they've done. All right, this is going to be an open concept model. So as we come up in, you're going to notice you've got your sofa. You've got your two beds. So you got your Jack and Jill sofas there. And then also you got your slide out. So look at all the counter space you've got. So you've got cabinets up above your sofa. You've got awesome counter space. Looking at the rear, your different beds and your sofas that go together, your two ottoman chairs here. You've got storage up above, your fireplace, your LED TV, gas and electric refrigerator. I love how they do two different tables. When you can get through to your deck, you can take one of these tables out and then still be able to get through without having to move everything around, get in and out quickly. They've lightened up their cabinets this year. They got that barn door look, but they really lightened them up. Went with a lighter wood, mixed in with a really like white wood and then like a lighter wood. Stainless steel undermount sink. You've got your Furion microwave. You've got your 3-burner cooktop with the oven. Awesome bathroom. Look how big the shower is. Got plenty of cabinet storage for all your linens and everything. Toilet down below. Central vacuum. Got your sink and medicine cabinet. And you'll come up, as you can see, there's your medicine cabinet again, and then your towel holder right to the right of it there, and your sink down below, more storage below. And we'll come up, look how you can see out the front window. This is our master bedroom. You got storage on both sides, hanging storage, large queen bed, nightstands on both sides. I love the windows up front. Just allows you to look at it. And then looking back across, this is your living room, looking to the rear of the coach. You got your two chairs directly across from your sofa. You've got your electric beds in the back with sofas opposing there, and then a ton of storage, as far as encounter space all the way throughout.